We talked about this a little bit yesterday. You don't need to know how many millimoles of lactate and stuff. You don't really need to know that. Heart rate can be a good measure of this, but you don't even really need to know that. You need to know how hard you feel like you're working, and you need to know how long you can sustain that pace for. So again, it's a big self-awareness play here, and it's something that you do learn. You can train your ability to strategize. Not just learn to strategize, but train your ability to strategize better. And if you can look at this as a rating scale intensity on a scale of 0 to 10, whether you're doing a 5K run or a 5K row or a 20K cycle or X rounds of or AMRAP or every minute for 30 minutes, the common theme, even if the exercises are different, the movements are different, the time domains are different, the common theme is this rating scale. So you saying, well, I'm 7 out of 10, because yes, it's subjective, my 7 is different to your 7 is different to your 7, but that's okay, because I don't need to compare to you guys. I'm trying to get as much as I can out of myself. So although the movements, the time domains, the demands, the stimulus is different, if you can have a consistency here, albeit a subjective consistency, if this can be consistent, then you can say, okay, I need to go out, this is 20 minutes, I need to start at a 4 out of 10. Then I can build this up to a 5, a 6, I get towards the end, then at the end I hit a 9 out of 10 for the last minute. So I don't know if that answers your question, but I understand what you mean. This isn't powerlifting 3 events, or athletics, I do a 400 meter hurdles, or I have to do 5 minutes of kettlebell clean and jerk, or I have to do a 100 meter swim. They're unknown events, so we need to find a commonality. And it is possible to do. Obviously, the more broad stimuli you apply to your body, which we've talked about as well this weekend, the more you start to go, okay, Atlas stone loading onto a box. I did that once back in September and it felt like this, so I know that I have to pace that. That gives you material, it gives you ammunition, but I'm confident enough with my pacing that you could give me something now that I've never seen or done before, a completely different movement, and I'd have a pretty good idea of how to pace it, even if it's something completely new and novel to you. Yeah, try and find a commonality in there.